The banking system is not a public service. It is a business. And like any business, it treats its customers differently based on their value. Today, we are looking at the 8 levels of wealth and how the system changes from being your greatest enemy to your most loyal servant. Level 1. The overdraft. Your account is negative, and the system reacts instantly. At this level, you are not a customer, you are a source of revenue. Automated fees hit your account for the service of not declining your card. The math is brutal. Because you have no money, the system ensures you have even less. Level 2. Low balance. You aren't negative, but you are barely holding on. Here, you pay monthly fees because you don't meet the minimum requirements. You earn 0.01% interest, while the bank lends your money out for 20%. The bank is indifferent to you. You are a number. And specifically, you are a small one. Level 3. Stable income. It starts with consistency. A steady paycheck hits the account every 2 weeks. The algorithms notice. Suddenly, the mail is full of credit card offers. The door is opening because your patterns make you a viable revenue source. The system is no longer hostile. It is starting to pitch to you. Level 4. The disciplined saver. You have an emergency fund. You pay your cards in full. Now, the bank extends you more credit because you've proven you don't need it. The price of money drops. Your loan rates get better. For the first time, the system begins to tilt in your favor, slowly and quietly. Level 5. The preferred client. This is where the human element appears. There is a priority phone line. There is a named banker who emails you directly. The institution is now competing for your future. They aren't just holding your money, they are trying to protect the relationship. Level 6. Wealth management. You stop being sold products and start being consulted. A professional advisor asks about your goals, your family, and your taxes. The experience is personalized, not because they are altruistic, but because you are now a significant asset to the firm. Level 7. The hidden menu. You get access to investment opportunities and mortgage rates that are never advertised to the public. The rules that govern ordinary banking, the waiting periods, and the fees simply no longer apply to you. Discretion is now exercised in your favor. Level 8. The ultra-wealthy. This is not a bank. It is a concierge service. Your private banker knows your children's names. Deals are bespoke and negotiated in private rooms. The system that was automated and cold at level 1 is now human, attentive, and oriented toward yes. You are no longer a client. You are a relationship that the bank cannot afford to lose. The journey from level 1 to level 8 is long, but understanding how the game is played is the first step to winning it. Which level are you at today? And more importantly, where are you going next? Subscribe for more insights on the mechanics of money.